Garvin Industries now manufactures a 150 watt and a 200 watt temp light for job site lighting. This particular model is made from a steel wire cage and a 3.5 inch deep steel box that comes complete with a cover, snap hook on the top, and 1/2 inch knockouts all the way around the box. It can come with a 6-foot power cord pre-installed like the model we have here, or just with a standard box to be wired in the field. This 150 watt and 200 watt model comes standard with a mogul base, and the kit includes 150 watt or 200 watt compact fluorescent bulb. What's unique about the Garvin Industries temp light fixture is that it is super lightweight. It only weighs 3 pounds. There's no ballast inside this fixture to go bad, which also eliminates the extra weight. And to prove this to you, we have a simple magnet on a hook. I'm going to take this magnet hook, put it in place on this steel beam. Now the magnet holds about 10 pounds, but as you can see, the temp light fixture easily sits in place. Now you simply grab your 150 or 200 watt bulb, screw it right into the fixture. And we're ready to energize the fixture and lighten up any dark area. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.